Okay, thoughts on Stellar Lumens working with IMF to create digital wallets and CDCs. Okay, is this happening? I'm not sure if, okay, I haven't been keeping an eye on Stellar Lumens like that. Let me just do a quick search on Google. Stellar Lumens. Okay, Stellar Lumens first stablecoins in Brazil and Argentina launched. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. I mean, Stellar has been on a tear recently, that I know. So let's look at this. Two new stablecoins have been introduced by Seto Network on the Stellar blockchain. The partnership between Stellar and Seto Network strives to make cross-border payments easier and faster in Argentina and Brazil. Okay, not sure if this is really central banks though. But Bill, what does the TA tell us on Stellar as you pulled that up? I can also do a quick look here. So monthly, it's looking good. Quarterly, all right. Yearly. So pretty much Coinrate is bullish on crypto for the next 1 to 3 months, right? Anything longer than a year is super conservative. Now, when we say that just to kind of reiterate, that does not mean we aren't bullish on crypto. We're just saying if you're going to hold HODL for a year or longer, the ones we would really HODL right now would be Synthetics, QuickChain, Chainlink, and Theta. And the rest are basically stablecoins, right? So everything else might not really be the best long-term HODL. Now, things could change, but right now, where the market is, that's what it says. Then Gian says made in Brazil. All right, that's what's up. Looks like Aaron as well. I love Brazil. I went there for the World Cup back in 2014, my first World Cup. So I had a blast there. Okay, Bill?
Okay, so Stellar. This is another theme that, we've had on the show before. It's this idea that central banks may not necessarily want to build their own blockchains, that to create, wallets or sovereign coins, they may partner with the private sector to do it. Okay. And that means a lot of these blockchains like Stellar, Cardano, EOS, right? Look at what happens here. I drew the head and shoulders pattern on Stellar. I think I put it in a couple newsletters and I kind of just forgot about it. And then you wake up one day and Stellar's just gone, right? So, technically Stellar can go to 25 cents, right? It's past the head and shoulders bottom target. It's above the 21-week moving average. It's the Sunday after Thanksgiving. And when something that has this like visually appealing, like 25 or 30 cent or 50 cent price, like XRP, when things like this start moving on real news or on the anticipation that, again, the XRPs, the EOS, the Cardanos, and the Stellars are going to be partners for governments, Tezos too, right, are going to be partners in, tokenizing fiat currencies. I don't know. I mean, it goes up until the last guy jumps in, honestly. So, I mean, Stellar can go to 25 cents, but I think the larger point is there are a lot of underappreciated currencies. There's a lot of underappreciated DeFi tokens, and there's a lot of underappreciated blockchain projects. A lot of that stuff was given up for dead. Everyone's like, oh, there are too many bag holders. We talked about EOS before, showing up in some of our quant model portfolios. That could be next. So yeah, when something like Stellar and XRP take off, take notice. Try to figure out what the next one is.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So actually, I want to pull this up here. So Stellar is in one of our indices. So if we go to Value Investor, quarterly, Kraken, that does have Stellar, 5%. So for anybody out there who's trading or investing on Kraken, and specifically Kraken, maybe look into the Kraken indices. So that likes Stellar and XRP as well. All right, so tell us what you think about Stellar, XLM. Where do you think it's going? What's your price target? Down in the questions below. Sorry, down in the comments below.